The chairman of the Fiji National Rugby League, Board of Directors, Mr. Konrote, the Board of Directors of the Fiji National Rugby League, the Acting Chief Executive Officer of the League, Mr. Konrote, friends from the diplomatic corps, sir, and the members of our National Rugby League female team, soon to be officially named and known by our kind sponsors, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. It's a look like a very good evening to you all. When I entered the room, mild hush and silence. Life goes on. That's right. Thank you very much for very short yet inspirational words of wisdom from a good book. I'm sure the team and all of us can use that as a guide for our future goals. Thank you. Now, ladies and gentlemen, at the outset, I'd like to let you know that I deem it a great honor and pleasure to be invited and officiate as chief guest as we gather here tonight to celebrate the official launching or the inaugural launching of the Fiji National Women's Rugby League team, name and logo. Now, this evening is indeed a special occasion for me personally, as your president and head of state, and as the patron of the Fiji National Rugby League, as you heard, to launch our first ever National Women's Rugby League team name and logo. In fact, tonight we are creating history in Fiji's sporting legacy with another feather in our cap as a proud sporting nation. Now, ladies and gentlemen, please allow me to share with you very brief history of the Rugby League in Fiji. Now, Rugby League was first introduced in Fiji around about 1992, but Fijian players like Joseph Lewa and Laitiera Wool were already playing and mastering the sport, with the exceptional skills and performance since the 1960s. For those of us who are around then, it makes me feel very old when I look at the young people of today. So, we go back that far. The famous Jioji. More than 20 years later, the Fijian National Rugby League then developed. They were forced to reckon with both here at home and within the region, and at the international level as well. The Rugby League had in the past and continues to this day to identify and attract young and talented Fijians like you, who possess the unique and famous Fijian flair, play rugby. Now, the recruitment of talented local players by overseas professional teams who offer very big contracts started to gain momentum in recent decades with the exceptional performance of some Fijians, who became top professional players like Konrote in the 90s. And he was still playing for the Canberra Raiders when I was High Commissioner in Canberra. Very talented player. Now, formerly known as the National Rugby League of Fiji, the organization joined other countries in the Super League campaign searching for international competition and recognition. As Rugby League gains popularity throughout the nation, the organization later became known as the Fiji National Rugby League, and its national team recorded its trademark as the Fiji Bulikula. And I'm glad to hear that there's some present or former Fiji Bulikula members in the room tonight. Now, 2 decades after its establishment, the Fiji National Rugby League has produced remarkable and talented players like Konrote, William Kikau, Jared Hain, Sulia Siluwalu, Tuika Bikamila, and the Sims brothers, Colvin, Tariq, and Ashton, just to name a few of our fellow countrymen who have stamped their mark in the regional and international arenas, and the list goes on. Now, the growth and development of Fiji National Rugby League and the increasing popularity of rugby league in Fiji is indeed encouraging and most commendable. An additional motivational factor and achievement in the sport is the inclusion of women. Gender equality is very important. And as the pillar of national unity, I'm so happy to see that manifested in the creation and establishment of our women's league team. The name Bulikula. Tonight's launch marks a significant milestone in the Fiji National Rugby League's history and achievements, and the unveiling of a special and unique, but at the same time very Fijian and most appropriate National Women's Rugby League team name and logo, the Fiji Bulikula brand. As most of you know, Bulikula is a Itoke word used to describe a rare and special type of golden cowrie shell that most of us have seen. Those was a part of the islands. Now, the cowrie possesses a porcelain-like shine that resembles a dazzling uniqueness of beauty. Wow. Dazzling uniqueness of beauty, like our members of the Bulikula team. Thus, in my humble opinion, an apt and relevant comparison to women. It encompasses a strong shell that protects its inner being, which is akin to the description and display of strength and love, which are very important traits and virtues which are portrayed by our women of today. The name Bulikula was no doubt selected and adopted to highlight and further nurture and promote this uniqueness of the character possessed by our women rugby league players here represented. Congratulations on all that. And we heard from Tommy how the name is endorsed by government. And those who are more familiar with customs and traditions of our land. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm also reliably informed that Fijian Bulikula signifies a sentimental meaning for the National Rugby League players of today, as it marks special tribute and respect to the late chairman of Rugby League Fiji, Mr. Penny Masalala Nangau Musimas, who tirelessly and passionately embraced the development of rugby league in our nation. He was a pioneer and pillar of strength who also played a pivotal role in the inclusion of women into the sport. And in this regard, may I request that we pause for a minute to remember and honor the memories of our fallen friend, colleague, and mentor, Mr. Penny Musimas. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm also informed that Fiji Bulikula have recently participated in 2 international matches where they performed exceptionally well, as we heard. Now again, our Bulikula team continued to excel at the Oxen Palm Pacific Test Invitation Games, which was held in June of this year in Australia, where they convincingly beat the Papua New Guinea Orchids with a 28-0 win for the first ever Test match. Now, another remarkable and commendable feat for the gallant team, and congratulations all around, related to rugby. As the Fiji National Rugby League prepares for the upcoming prestigious Prime Minister's 13th tournament against Australia on 11th October 2019, a couple of weeks' time, our national women's team is again undoubtedly going to be the team to beat at that tournament. Team to beat. And we all look forward to this tournament and have every confidence that the Fiji Bulikula once again rise to the occasion and display another good and sterling performance. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the launch of the Bulikula brand tonight is therefore fitting, as it is an ideal opportunity to honor our women players and officially name the Fiji National Rugby League female team Fiji Bulikula. On that note, it's a great honor and pleasure that I officially launched the name and logo of our National Women's Rugby League team, Fiji Bulikula. Now, in conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, we have created history tonight. As I mentioned before, with the name we launched the Bulikula brand. To the members of the team, may I offer some fatherly advice. My case, grandfather, my grandfather. Makes me feel very ancient. As you venture forth at the start of your career and represent our beloved country in the Rugby League code, may I ask you to play as a team, certainly look after one another, go the extra mile. Always give your best at each game or tournament and stamp your mark, the mark of this nation, in the Rugby League field as a team to beat. And once again, on behalf of Governor of Fijians, I wish you well, and the Fiji National Rugby League every success for the future. And Almighty God continue to bless you all in our beloved nation. Now,